Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel GK Update with उन्नति। आज के वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे 7 जून 2025 के टॉप 25 करंट अफेयर्स। तो आज का पहला क्वेश्चन, वर्ल्ड रीफ अवेयरनेस डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डेज? एंड द आंसर इज 1st June. Second question, which state has recently been declared the second fully literate state of India? And the answer is Goa. Third question, who has been appointed as full-time member of Niti Aayog? And the answer is Rajiv Gaba. Fourth question, who has been appointed as new finance secretary? And the answer is Ajay Seth. Fifth question, who has been appointed as new chairman of Railway Board? And the answer is Satish Kumar. Sixth question, who has been appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of India? And the answer is Justice B.R. Gavai. Seventh question, who has been appointed as the chairman of National Commission for Women? And the answer is Vijaya Kishore Rahatkar. Eighth question, Prime Minister inaugurates the world's highest Chenab Railway Arch Bridge in which state or UT? And the answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Ninth question, recently how many countries joined UN Security Council for 2026-27? And the answer is 5 countries. 10th question, recently government approved the 2-phase digital census with caste enumeration in which year? And the answer is 2027. 11th question, which state government has launched a statewide Vande Ganga water conservation campaign to address the issue of water scarcity? And the answer is Rajasthan. 12th question, World Food Safety Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 7th of June. 13th question, on the occasion of World Environment Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the second phase of the Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign in which state or UT? And the answer is New Delhi. 14th question, on the occasion of World Environment Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi planted which sapling at his residence in New Delhi? And the answer is Sindoor. 15th question, who launched the Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam 2.0 campaign in New Delhi? And the answer is Dharmendra Pradhan. 16th question, who conferred the National Florence Nightingale Awards 2025 to 15 nurses at Rashtrapati Bhavan? And the answer is Draupadi Murmu. 17th question, which Indian cooperative brand has partnered with Spain's COVAP to launch its flagship milk product in Spain and the EU? And the answer is Amul. 18th question, which country's president has announced a $150 billion biofuel plant deal with Paraj Industries? And the answer is Paraguay. 19th question, which Brazilian aerospace company has established a subsidiary in India to expand its presence in defense, commercial aviation, and urban air mobility? And the answer is Embraer. 20th question, which private Indian company handed over the first center fuselage assembly for the LC-8 Tejas Mk-1A to HAL, marking a milestone in indigenous defense manufacturing? And the answer is VEM Technologies. 21st question. Under a new agreement with Dassault Aviation, which Indian company will manufacture the complete fuselage of the Rafale fighter jet in Hyderabad? And the answer is TASAL. 22nd question. Which bank has acquired a 25.18% stake in Future Generali India Life Insurance Company Limited for Rs 57 crore? And the answer is Central Bank of India. 23rd question. Which bank has acquired a 24.91 equity stake in Future Generali India Life Insurance Company Limited for Rs 451 crore? And the answer is Central Bank of India. 24th question. Which company has secured a lending license from the Reserve Bank of India, enabling it to offer loans directly to customers and sellers? And the answer is Flipkart. And the last 25th question. On which date is the International Day for the Fight Against Illegal, Unreported and Unregulated Fishing observed? And the answer is 5th June. तो ये थे 7 जून 2025 के टॉप 25 करंट अफेयर्स और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है, हु वॉज द फर्स्ट भारतीय जनता पार्टी MLA ऑफ उड़ीसा एंड सर्व्ड एज अ 3-time लेजिस्लेटर फ्रॉम कामाख्या नगर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी एंड रिसेंटली पास्ड अवे? इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आंसर करें कमेंट सेक्शन में।